Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Good. As she said, my name is Krishna. I'm Krishna Millhoff. I'm a parole officer here in Phoenix. That's one of the things I love about parole is I don't have an average day. Communication is key. As a parole officer, I can't help you if I don't know what's going on with you. Community supervision is aimed at helping the individuals who are released, who still have time left to serve on their sentence, get back into the community and do so in a way that's productive and necessarily control what they do, but just to oversee and help them, to guide them. We don't want to send you back to do more. You're out here to start rebuilding your lives. One of the things that I do as a community reentry officer, as a parole officer, is I go into the community and I find resources for individuals. Not every square is going to fit into that hole. Sometimes it's a point of finding the right resource for an individual, and it's trying over and over. If you stay 30 days and then you do the extension, I can call New Freedom about getting you in. Parole officers are there to help them, to guide them, to, if necessary, instruct them and direct them on how to spend their days or decisions to make so that they can be successful, so that they can learn new behaviors. Your parole is between you and me. I take a very hands-on approach. I like to ensure that I, or pretty much any parole officer, knows their clients, knows our caseload. And when you know somebody and you know their triggers and their faults and their hang-ups, you're doing good here.
Oh, yeah.
And I've actually, prior to coming out here, I reached out and I talked to some of the staff. I think we're more likely to be able to assist them avoiding going back to old ways, if you will, or getting into trouble in ways that they previously have. So what's your plan after New Freedom? And helping people be successful with their reentry, with being successful in life, reintegrating with their families, finding job placement, getting their programming or their education completed, whatever they may need, we're more likely to improve our community and our society. Okay, cool, awesome. Good job. Thank you. Being there for them when they're successful, but also when they're flailing, reminding them that, you know, we're a resource and we're not just there to send them back to prison, but we're there to help them. And sometimes it takes a little while for that trust to build. You have to be open and willing to give a little bit of yourself to that person, to let them know that you're there for them, that you're a person too.